Welcome to ehiddenbrain.com. Today we'll see a question. Construct minimal DFA that accepts all strings of A's and B's, that accepts A's and B's, where number of A's are divisible by 3, where number of A's are divisible by 3. So let's try to find the answer. It is a DFA, means minimum number of states, and it's a deterministic machine. Input alphabets are A and B, right? And the one more criteria is it's divisible by 3. So it's always better to draw language. The first hint, number of A's which are divisible by 3 means if there are 0 A's and 0 B's, it means if it is epsilon is divisible by 3. Yes, because there are number of A's. How many number of A's are there? 0 number of A's. So 0 mod 3 is always 0. It means epsilon is a valid string here because number of A's are 0 there and 0 is divisible by 3. Now if I only B, yes, because number of A's are 0. So number of A's are 0 means again 0 is divisible by 3, means only B is possible, right? Next is 2 B's possible? Yes, the 2 B's are possible, and that way all number of B's are possible. Next, is only A is possible? So these are possible. A is not possible. You can see that. Why A is not possible? Because this is 1A and 1 is not divisible by 2. Is 2 A's are possible? No, because 2 is not divisible by 3. Is 3 A's are possible? Yes. So it means the next string can be 3 A's, right? Now you can see that there might be a lot of combinations. Here I can put like A, B, A. Yes, it is quite acceptable. Then A, B, A. Yes, like this you can have a multiple string which is an infinite set. Here I can say number of A's are divisible by 3, means even you can have 6 A's, right? So 6 A's are also quite possible, right? So this way you have to formulate automata. Now let's try to see what this automata will look like. Epsilon means the first state or the starting state will be the final state for sure, right? So make that thing. This is the start state. I will call it as S1. The first state is final state, denotes that epsilon is accepted. Okay. Now I want to accept B or all the number of B's, like 2 B's, 3 B's, and even an infinite number of B's. So what I will do is I will put a loop of B here. So simply you can see this. Yes, that way I can accept these number of B's here, infinite number of B's. Because we are not worried about how many B's are there, rather we are worried about how many A's we really want, right? So now the next thing is to try to accept this thing, right? And now you can see this is an loop thing, because 3 A's, then 6 A's, then 9 A's. So definitely there will be a loop of something, and that loop will be something like this. You can see this. 2 A's are there, S2, S3, and then if I get a third A, what I will do is I will accept it and I will go back to the first state, because the first state is the final state. Here you can see this 1, 2, 3 A's are accepted, 4, 5, 6 A's are accepted, 7, 8, 9 A's are accepted, 10th A is not accepted, 11th A is also not accepted, but the 12th A is accepted, right? So this way it is quite a correct thing. Now you can look at S1 is in DFA. You can see this S1 is in DFA because A and B is covered here, right? S2 is not in DFA because only one A is there. What about B? What if B comes? Yes, I can put a loop of B here simply. Why? Because any number of B's we are not worried about. So let's say there are hundreds of B's after A. Yes, it's okay. Now here also, now this state is in DFA. You can see that S2 is in DFA. Why S2 is in DFA? Because S2 is having A as well as B. S3 is not in DFA. So how to make S3 again DFA? Let's put a loop of B, because yes, so that way this string will be entertained. You can see this A, B, A is accepted. This A, B, A is accepted. Yes, so that way, so all the strings of A's which are divisible by 3 are accepted here, and I will call this machine as a machine MR, you can say, whatever you right. So this is a DFA which we really require and which we are really interested in it, right? Thank you very much.